Welcome. If you've been getting those little red badges on your Snapchat app icon every time there's a new friend suggestion, you might find it a bit distracting. Luckily, there's a simple way to turn off those app icon badges specifically for new friend suggestions without affecting other notifications. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through the updated steps on how to do just that. First, start by opening your phone's main settings app. This is where all of your phone's system controls live, including notification settings for every app installed. Once you're in settings, look for the section called Apps and tap on it. This will show you a list of all the apps currently installed on your phone. Scroll through your apps until you find Snapchat, then tap on it. This brings up all the settings specific to Snapchat, including permissions, storage details, and crucially, notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. Here you'll see detailed controls for how Snapchat sends you alerts. Now, look for the option labeled Notification Categories and tap on that. Notification categories allow you to customize different types of notifications within the app. Under the heading Friends, you'll find an option called New Friend Suggestions. Tap on it to access the notification settings specifically for new friend alerts. Finally, you'll see a toggle for app icon badges. This toggle controls whether the little red dot appears on the Snapchat app icon when there's a new friend suggestion waiting for you. Simply toggle this off and you're done. From now on, you won't see those new friend suggestion badges cluttering your home screen icon, but you can still get other important notifications if you want. This method helps keep your phone's notification system more organized and less overwhelming, especially if you prefer a cleaner look or want to focus only on the alerts that matter most to you. That's all there is to it. By following these updated steps, you've taken control over Snapchat's new friend suggestion badges, making your app experience smoother and more personalized. Thanks for watching. Thanks for